Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today it is the beginning of the month and we have the next box in from Open Gate. I don't know if they're always this prompt on their shipment, but the last 2 months, these are the first two boxes I've received from them. I have received my box. I don't know. This one may have come in on Saturday, but it is like almost the very first day of the month. So that's kind of fun to have a more consistent arrival time. Because, we kind of wait, excited, waiting for it to get here. So I can't wait to check out this month. Last month was really fun. It was a table runner and some other projects, an apron. I have not finished the fat quarter project that they had included, but I can't wait to check that one out too. So always a really fun box. It's got really pretty packaging. And it's just like wrapped with care. I don't know. I don't know if you're like me, but a lot of times the moms of the family don't always get packages that are wrapped because we're the ones who typically are doing the shopping. So it's kind of fun to get something that's a surprise and put together really nicely. Okay. Oh, you guys, it's all Christmas. It's all Christmas. Okay. We'll just read down the list here. So, project one is a modified feather star. So we're going to include the fabric for binding and the top. And it's a Christmas Carol by Moda Fabrics. Full color pattern. Full color pattern for a challenging and easier version. So we're going to get two options. Okay. So this is super, super cute fabric, you guys. It's got holly leaves and stars. And then it looks like this is our backing. So I will get you guys some close-up pictures of those two. I'm trying to find the pattern here. That's for the other project. So our other project here is going to be called Decorate the Tree. Includes the fabric for applique and background and backing and binding, fusible fleece and fusible webbing, full color picture for applique templates. So we have our template, yes. And then we have a little hanger that it's going to hang on. Can you all see that? It's not wide enough. Let's see. Isn't that cute? So a little hanger for it. And then we're going to be making this little Christmas tree applique here that hangs on it. We've got some really cute fabric. I can't wait. Okay. Oh, the pattern's in here. Hello. I'll get there. I'll get there eventually. Okay, so we'll take a closer look at that and I'll put that together. Now, every month we do get like a bonus item. And so this month it looks like it's a fat quarter and this is super cute. It's little Christmas presents, but it's not super cartoony. It really like each present kind of blends into the next one over. So this is by Clothworks. I'm not familiar with this exact line though. Super cute. So that's a fun little additional fat quarter that we received. And then the other add-on that we get is this fat quarter. It's 4 fat quarters every month, and it has a pattern included with it. So the notion of the month is the star hanger. So that's what we're going to use on our applique Christmas trees. We also got cream Aurifil 50 weight. I always love having a lot of variety in my 50 weight Aurifils. And then let's see, the fat quarter stash. Okay, so it looks like we have our 4 fat quarters here that we've got a quilt pattern to match. I'm not sure what all the extras are on here. So this would make a holding hands quilt. You'd need 10 fat quarters of light, 10 fat quarters of blue, 10 fat quarters of red. So maybe it's a suggestion, and then these are just coordinating fat quarters that we could put together. But that's a really cute pattern. Okay, so let's get some close-up views. Okay, so first we have our feathered star pattern, and it's going to have one version, I think, that said it was going to be more complicated than the other, or challenging. So, but let's jump into our fabrics first. Isn't that just a cute, cute holly print? I like that. So we've got some stars and our holly berries and our holly leaves. Then we've got some red polka dot to go with it. And I'm going to have to read the instructions and see if I'm going to have enough to start. I was listening to the live that Monique puts on every month. And she said sometimes, you know, because it's hard to say how much things are going to shrink, there may not be enough. So I will definitely let you guys know what I decide to do on that. I did start last month and I didn't have any problems at all. So that was wonderful. Those are some really, really cute fabrics. Here we've got our backing fabric. So it's 1 yard of the backing fabric. And then what this is going to make are those as our options. You guys, those are super cute. Super cute. So there's an easier feathered star variation and a challenging feathered star. I like that use of words because it doesn't need to be outrageous. It's just a little bit more challenging. So we've got our 2 different versions here. So we've definitely got more half square triangles on this one than we do on this one, or maybe some other shapes. Almost see some hourglasses in there too. Well, I cannot wait to jump into that. That's going to be a super fun project. And then our other project this month is going to be this applique project, which is kind of fun. We've been playing with some applique on some of our other quilting lately. So this is right up in that wheelhouse. Super cute fabric. Look at that. That's going to be really fun. And then we've also got that kind of postage stamp in teal. Comes with everything we need, the fusible webbing, the fusible fleece. It's all right there. And then this was our bonus fat quarter. How pretty is that fabric? It's almost like watercolor. I really like that a lot. Like that a lot. And then we got the hanger for this. That was our notion for this month. And then our Aurifil 50 weight in cream. And then our fat quarter bundle this month add-on is in these 4 pretty, pretty fabrics. So let's see. Get these opened up here. I really like this plaid. Kind of reminds me of some of the Sweetwater's plaids. Henry Glass. Okay. That's really pretty though. It's like a bluish gray in our reds. And then we've got a snowflake pattern. And some cute mittens. And then a really fun stripe. You guys, I'm really pleased with this box. I can't wait to jump in here. I think I'm going to probably start with the main body project and then the applique I'll do second. Okay, guys, there we have it. This month's subscription box from Open Gate Quilts. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing video. I cannot wait to dive into some of these projects. It's going to be a ton of fun. And until then, I will see you guys next time.